we are presenting the educational robot KBot version 2. An educational robot for the entire school community. It has been designed with the help of the Electronic Maintenance Advanced Level Vocational Training students at the CIFP Ferrolterra Vocational Training School in Ferrol, Spain. This robot is easy to assemble, program and operate, even for students with sight or hearing problems. Any teacher with no knowledge of either electronics or programming will be able to assemble and program this robot. Many different teaching activities can be carried out using the KBot version 2 within any educational level, from preschool or primary up to secondary school or vocational training studies. It doesn't need batteries, as it works with a single battery which can be charged using a mobile phone charger. It can detect obstacles and react so as not to crash into them. It can also communicate with teachers by sending messages to their mobile phones, for example, to indicate that it has encountered an obstacle. It can be operated using the built-in keyboard. Or you can also use the robot app to control it. It is a robot with a curriculum, which can be read using a QR code. The latest ICT technologies have been applied in its development. For instance, augmented reality.
Hello, friends.
3D viewing of all parts of the robot, etc. All the information to be able to assemble it, to print the parts of its structure, as well as the firmware to program and operate it, can be downloaded from the robot webpage. On this webpage, you will also find and download an app which allows you to control and calibrate the KBot, among many other functions. The whole project of the KBot robot is free, which means that you can share and modify its structural design as well as its programming. It is licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution Share Alike 4.0 license. Finally, there is a YouTube channel with more than 10 videos about the robot KBot version 2, which complements the information contained in the assembly guide. You can access these videos through the robot page too. So now you have no excuses to assemble a robot that you can use with your students and in your classes.